Hello everyone, welcome to Caroline's Craft Tree and welcome to a Thrifty Canucks video. Now, a lot of this stuff, my sister was visiting for about 3 weeks, so we did tons of thrift store shopping. We went to the Lions, we went to garage sales. Yeah, we did pretty much 3 weeks of nothing but shopping. So this all... we went to all the dollar stores and whatnot as well. So this is just a big mixture. I can't honestly remember where I got a lot of it. The majority of it did come from the thrift stores and stuff. But let's just start over here. My granddaughters love to paint and color. So whenever I see stuff that's kind of kid related, I get it for them because she can't get enough of it, and I want to encourage every minute that she can to be creative. So there's a couple little ornaments. She doesn't really care what it is to color, as long as she gets to color or paint. These I did get at a dollar store, just different shapes, just your ordinary plain wooden shapes, but she loves these. And I think I got these there as well, so there's 4 different kits with just a painting thing in them. So we got all those. Oh, I got her this food thing. She loves playing like with the little stove and fridge that she's got. So I grabbed those at the dollar store. Now these were all, I want to say these were from thrift stores. But these are just a shape, kind of, I think they're like paper, these ones. So she'll paint on those. These are actually photo albums, chipboard books. And they're just like a, can't remember what they call that board, but you know, it's cardboard, but it's like really strong. So there's some cogwheels, some flowers, some ladybugs. So here's a giraffe, like a 3D giraffe. Another Christmas thing. Yeah, we went to pretty much every, well, this was $2.99 wherever somebody bought it from. And then just some flower type. It is a tabbed book, but so there's all, oh, and then there's a wood turtle thing. So like I say, she just loves painting those. So I did buy these new. We went to a orchard place and they had these napkins and I really liked them, so I grabbed them. Or no, maybe I got these at like, we have a store called Scattered Goods. It's kind of like a glorified dollar store. I might have got them there. I got these 2 things. These were at a dollar store as well. But there's these silicone molds. And I want to do some stuff with silicone. So I found a few molds, and these were like, well, they were in the Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure they were in the Dollar Tree. So they were only like $1.50, so they were no more than $1.50. So good deal. We got an applique. Somebody paid $2 for it new. That was probably at the Lions. I found these here. $5.99, whoever bought these, but they're just like metal, vintage theme stuff. Prima marketing. So can't remember what they were. Some things might be partly full because my sister took some of the stuff home with her. She left the day that I'm making these. Now these were Grinch cards. Now they weren't for, like, I don't know what game they were actually for. What's it called? Grinch groups 1 and 2. they're actually a McDonald's thing. So kind of like a matching game or something. I don't know. But she wanted some of these, so she went and she picked out some. But these are all little Christmassy type. Well, not Christmassy type. They are Christmassy. So, but just a fun little deck of cards to use for something. I don't do much with Christmas or holidays, but these would be fun for somebody that's doing some Christmas stuff. I got these at the thrift store. Whoops, just ripped the bag. But they are just jumbo playing cards, like big, 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 big. You can see how big they are. But I think they would be kind of fun to use as a base or something. Not sure. They would have been really cheaper. I wouldn't have bought them. And now I just got to figure out how to get it into the box. Oops. I have seen people use these big playing cards, and I've never had them this big. I've had like bigger ones, but not this big. So those are kind of fun. I'll put those in my card drawer. Got lots of different ribbon. Oh, there was these 4 flowers. I had some flowers like this, which I pulled off of greeting cards. So they're nice 4 little pink flowers. Got lots of ribbon here. Wherever somebody bought these. Well, it's a Woolworths sticker. Now, Woolworths has not been around for quite a while. So this is older stuff. These 3 are like a olive green, very fine, and that'll be really nice for doing some ribbon embroidery. We've got some organza, kind of an off-white. We've got this pink stuff. Came from a buck or two at one point. I'm gonna guess these were at the Lions. Some dark blue and some light blue. Quite a wide organza ribbon. What else? And a lot of these are like new. They still have the things. So we've got a couple of nice like rose, dusty rose colors. This isn't organza. This is just a blue ribbon. But this is all organza ribbon, which is great for so many things. So I grabbed all that. Oh, I got these. Didn't have a lid on it, so it's been a job trying to not spill them, but they're just like a paper flower. There's quite a few. Recollections, so that would be Michael's brand, but I'll ink up the edges and I'll make, flowers. I'll layer a few of them together, maybe add some die cuts in with them or something. Who knows, but grab those. We got some beads. We got seed beads of different sizes, different colors. We got a package of seed beads here, just a big variety of colors. So somebody took the time to staple the baggies together. So my guess is they probably had them at a garage sale or something. And then there's these ones here, which I really like the blue beads. These are just plastic. But, the white might be, let's see. Yeah, they're plastic. I thought maybe they were glass for a second, but just some fun colors. I like the colors. Nice and kind of bright. And I got those to put away. My sister found these. Not the sister I have been shopping with, but another sister. She went to the Lions one day when I wasn't we usually go on the Friday. But these are just wooden circles with animals on them. Now, I don't know if it's supposed to be some kind of game, but I'll look. Maybe it's supposed to be like a matching game. I'm not sure. But cute little wooden shapes of different kinds. There's a whole big bag of them in here. So my sister Sharon picked those up for me one day. We got this here. Now, I don't know if Japanese, they read like backwards. Because like I would think that that was the front. I don't know. But anyways, it's Japanese. And these are like a very tissue-y paper. So I got lots of pages here that I'll use for a variety of things. And it comes with this cute little leather case. Yeah, you see, so if this is like this, then when you turn it over, this is upside down. So if you turn it like this, so then you would read it this way. Because then that would be the right way. So, not really sure, but it's cute, and I like the leather case. This was actually free in a thrift store, so I grabbed it. It was on their free shelf. Got these here postcards, 30 full color cards to keep or to send, all of Venice. Now, don't think they're old. 1990. So not old, but not new. But they have beautiful prints in them, like kind of a painted postcard. And then just a little bit of stuff in behind them. But yeah, just great pictures. I thought they were awesome, awesome pictures. So that's why I grabbed this. But these would make just great journal cards, just the way they are. Or, you know, dress them up a little bit, add some bling, add some lace. But as I say, just great pictures. I like the painted look. So yeah, that's kind of nice. I like that. And then the last thing, not necessarily the best thing, but this is something that my sister, who found all these wooden shapes, she also found this. And it's like some kind of reading scroll. Steering a true course. Oh, I see. It's kind of like what this is. But it's a big long scroll. It's fairly big. Let me just roll this back up. I don't know. So, you know, there's quite a bit on there. I don't know if there's writing at either end. But I'm making her a journal, and I think she wants this here in her journal. But just some really fun pictures. It looks quite aged. But yeah, I haven't unrolled it, so I haven't looked at it all yet. But just some fun shapes and whatnot. So, interesting little bit of paper. It'll be great somehow in a journal. The back is just plain. So I will like roll it all onto one side just to make it easier to store, etc. So this is my first little Thriftycanucks of stuff that I got while my sister was visiting. Lots of fun goodies, and I've got lots to sort and go through and organize and show you guys. But just tons and tons of fun stuff. Check out the links below. Check out the other people that are doing Thriftycanucks. There is some links in the description. You might have to click that more button to see everything. Come on over, visit us on Facebook. Check out the new Facebook group that Kim Newberg and I started, which is Creative Printable, Freebie Printable, something or other. There's a link below where we showcase just hers and mine digital kits that we offer for free. And go join the group, because then that way you always know when we post something. We try to post something almost every day. Sometimes, you know, life gets in the way, but we try hard, and yeah, join the group, and then you go to our blogs and download the files and whatnot, and it's all free, all 100% free. So check that out. Check out my shops. Come and join me on my Facebook group, Caroline's Craftery, friends and journal friends and something or other. Can't even remember the name of my own group, but all the links are there, so you'll see them. But we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.